Accidents happen. If you've mistakenly deleted a page on your Squarespace website, don't worry. Squarespace offers easy ways to restore deleted pages and their settings, often without needing backups. This video will guide you through the process so you can quickly recover your content and get back to building your site. When you delete a page in Squarespace, it's not immediately gone forever. It's moved to a trash folder, similar to your computer's recycle bin. This soft delete gives you a safety net to recover pages you didn't mean to remove. Pages stay in the trash for 30 days before being permanently deleted. To begin restoring a deleted page, first log in to your Squarespace account. This gives you access to your site dashboard where you can manage all your pages. Next, navigate to the Pages panel. This is usually located in the sidebar of your Squarespace editor. Click on it to open the Pages Management interface. Look for the trash icon or expand the Not Linked section in the Pages panel. This is where Squarespace stores deleted pages that can still be recovered. Click on the specific page you want to restore from the list. Then, click the Restore button that appears. This will recover the page immediately. Once restored, the page will reappear in its original location in the Pages panel or in the Not Linked section if the original spot is no longer available. For recent deletions, Squarespace sometimes offers an immediate undo option. Keep an eye out for a confirmation prompt after deleting a page. Clicking Undo here will instantly bring the page back. You can also sometimes use your browser's back button for very recent actions, but the trash is the more reliable method. When you restore a page from the trash, Squarespace automatically recovers all of its settings along with the content. This includes the page title that appears in your site's navigation, the URL slug that forms part of the web address, and crucial SEO settings like meta descriptions and keywords that help search engines understand your page. Visibility settings determine whether the page is public for all visitors to see or private, requiring login or a password. Advanced options include any custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript code you've added to enhance the page's functionality. All of these elements are preserved during the restoration process. After restoring your page, it's important to double-check these settings to ensure they match your original configuration and that everything displays correctly on your site. While Squarespace's trash system is helpful, it's always a good idea to have manual backups as an extra safety net. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and navigate to the Settings menu. From Settings, click on Advanced, then select Import/Export. Click the Export button to create a backup file of your site content. This creates a file you can save and use to restore your entire site or specific pages if needed. This is especially important for large sites or before making major changes. One common mistake Squarespace users make is forgetting that deleted pages in the trash folder are permanently removed after 30 days. This can lead to irreversible loss of content, especially if you have important pages like product listings or blog posts that you might want to recover later. To avoid this, make it a habit to regularly check your trash folder and restore any pages you might need before the deadline passes. Another frequent error is not creating backups before making significant changes to your site. Without backups, if something goes wrong during updates or edits, you could lose all your work. Additionally, always duplicate important pages before major modifications as a safety net. This simple step allows you to revert to the original if needed, protecting your content and settings. By being aware of these common mistakes and adopting proactive habits like regular trash checks and consistent backups, you can keep your Squarespace site secure and avoid unnecessary stress from data loss. Squarespace is continuously improving its platform. Expect to see more AI-powered features in the future, potentially including AI-assisted content recovery and automated backups. Trends point towards zero data loss guarantees and more robust versioning systems, making Squarespace even more resilient. Keep your eye on updates to improve workflow.